Wow.
Como shandise? Dusmupika wana size monu.
Ah, iwe na masha spice na kushandisa. Iru premium spices na go marinate na insima spice. Ai.
Yekunwira zvokuti.
Ma spice ko premium na kushandisa.
Timo testa.
Mirai, munotu mirai. Ai. Ma spice ko premium spices na go testa mirai.
Inenge nonaka iyi.
Ipi. Ese da chatsa ese.
Plus baneke.
Ndaisa ese.
Sauce gap.
Sesi muze ndekusapa yana mchida.
Okay.
Funa yangu kulinga mbele kutoka hivi.
Sauce mama. Sauce. No. Anzi real premium baba.
Asma kujele yangu. Ko to sima gura wan. Kudi ye so basa ida baso.
Tashida kutela unaona uti
Ino naka ikamu tese mundu kamchida kujela ino naka. Right. So guys, with real premium spices, muruko na msimu numba mnuzo ne onde real premium spices guys. You can buy your real premium spices. Christmas is now approaching. You can marinate your meat. You can do unoda ni nyama yako ni spices aya. Yeah. With me here, I've got some of the spices. What is these girls are enjoying? I've got this 365 barbecue. And normally I do it no nzishenza kana ngisa nyama yangu mo air fryer kana kuti panze, but nasa I want to taste it saka ndaisa opa chicken guys. It's massive, this one. Very massive. That is ndasangaza ese nangoma marinate ese ndikama isa mfridge ndikasiya zvakadaro. And this one obviously you know guys, I said mother-in-law. Ndoidira kuvava. Maibona kuti nyama ndeta guys, it's kind of it's kind of, you know, you see how it is. Chidira imoja moni sira msazipeza yese. Imoja moni sira oyi. Moni sira ombe. Anmona. Right. Saka muri kuona nditika African King antika barbecue spice. So munogona ku kumana na plate wa moni sira. And then ground cinnamon ndasanganisa zvese guys. Antika then of course the sauce yavatora nokumbira sauce. The sauce yavatora ingudira mudibe. The sauce yavari kudira panyama yavo andi muri kuona this sauce ndenyama for vana antika yandakabata garlic sauce ku real premium sauce kwani ma sauces ese garlic sauce. And then kune ma sauces akasiyana siyana antika one day I'll show you Emma chips as well. And this is the other one antika lemon and herb. So it depends kuti vana venyu vakufarira chi. So try everything guys, try zvese this festive season antika number jesa pa screen please. Christmas inoi ngaive ne different so panyaye nkiri yenyama apa panyaye